So here I am in my Cricut design space, and I've already started a new project. I've gone to upload, browse, and select the PNG image. It's very important that you have a PNG for a transparent background. Here again, I'm just selecting simple so that all my lines are nice and clear. I'm not doing any additional edits. Clicking upload. I'm going for cut image because that will only cut out my silhouettes. Now that's uploaded, it's the first one. I'm gonna click. I'm going to add it to my canvas. Now it's enormous, and what you need to do is you need to go up to the size bar and unlock that little padlock you see. Here I'm going to customize and make it a 4x4 size, which corresponds with the actual file itself. This is the size that will fit the actual stamp itself, so do make sure that it is sized 4x4. I always put my image in the upper left corner so it's all lined up, and I go and hit print. My material size needs to be on a 4x4, or excuse me, my material needs to be on a 4x5 by 6.5 on matte. So here it is. It looks like it's all set up. It's in the upper left-hand corner, and it looks like it is all good to go. I'm going to hit continue. It needs to connect to my Cricut machine, which is the Joy. Here I'm cutting out onto a medium cardstock, which is pretty standard, with a default pressure. If you have a thicker cardstock, you need to adjust accordingly. Cricut has hundreds of different materials for you to select from. Here I am loading my mat into my Cricut. It's going to align, make sure it's all ready to go, and it'll prompt you when it's ready and you hit go. Now in this process, the Cricut will be finalizing and showing you a percentage of the cutout. Once it reaches 100, it will be done. If for whatever reason you have a problem with your Cricut not cutting out correctly, you can simply reload it and have it cut again. And if you're not moving the paper or the material or taking it off the mat, it'll cut in the exact same spot. So if that happens, just load it back in and send it through again. However, though, with this, I'm gonna get a nice clean cut on the first try because I did set it appropriately to medium cardstock and the default pressure. Now it looks like it is just about done, and it should prompt me again to unload. There you can see it'll say rerun if it's not ready. Mine is, so I hit unload. When I go back to this screen, I will hit done. And then I am all completed with my Cricut cutouts. If something didn't make sense or is confusing, please rewind the video and check back in for any additional information. Thanks for watching.